Hey gang, thought I'd come out and just give a little look what's going on outside, see if any of the birds come down as I'm standing here. It's a beautiful day today, Friday. Check out that beautiful sky. Hardly a cloud. There are some, but you know, look at, oh man, it's gorgeous. What a great day. Breezy, not too hot. Really, really nice. That little squirrel down there's got a boo-boo on his head or something. It keeps looking worse to me. Not sure if I can get down in there to see him. Maybe it's just a white spot of hair. It was hard to tell. He's got white hair coming around his ears, but yeah, they come down and then they jump away. There's a blue jay up in the tree there, but didn't want to hang out. Didn't want to hang out with me. It's like playing red light, green light. I turn my back and they come up on me. Do you remember playing that as a kid? I don't know. We did. We played a lot of those games. For those of you that don't know, red light, green light, you have one person that is the caller or the stoplight, and everybody else lines up at a distance from them, and they turn their back and they say green light, and you are supposed to slowly creep up on them, though some people really will just run right up on you. And then they turn around really quick and say red light, and if you're moving, you have to go back to the starting line. Of course, when you play with all the different age kids, you know, sometimes the bigger kids are able to run up and practically knock your head off as they come and attack you. Red light, green light. It was always a fun game, I thought. I didn't like being it, though. Blue jay. He wants to get to the nuts that are in the dish there still, but he's afraid of me. There's a few of the birds that'll come out, and a few of the woodpeckers, especially the younger ones. They'll come up and sit there and won't really move. But the blue jays, they're nervous. You'd think they would be willing to come up. Every time I move over to the feeder, they're flying off. Penny. Penelope. Kids don't play too many games outside anymore. I think they play mostly video games inside, right? It's usually pretty quiet outside. Right now it's summer vacation, and there's really, I mean, granted it's only 10 or 10:30 maybe in the morning, but they really are not outside. Very few kids. It's too bad. That was so much fun. Lots of stuff we used to do and play. Really didn't get into much trouble. I mean, I suppose maybe some people did, but I mean, honestly, it was just neighborhood fun. And it didn't, you know, in the summertime, it didn't matter how old you were, and, you know, we all kind of played together. I'll have to think of some of the other games. Morning dove up in the tree. She's afraid to come down too. Hello, Dolly. Good morning. Yep, I'm talking to you. Come on, Blue Jay. It's okay. Not gonna hurt you. Wow. Where'd you go? Went down a little bit. Dolly went to the swing set. Dolly went to the swing set. A bunch of grackles in that tree. Finally. Finally, BJ. Got up the guts to come and get your nuts. Red light, green light. Hey, bird. You're sliding. Alright, there it is. Black Hawk, Stratford, probably just training. And there's the pack. Are you kidding me? I haven't recorded any of this. These guys have been in motion, just motionless. They've been sitting right here this whole time. I mean, now they're opening their mouths a little bit. But they weren't moving. I can come out here and like almost touch them. I don't know if maybe that hawk is back and they've been told to stay still and not go. I don't know. I don't see it. I don't see it. I want to back away a little bit because if there is a hawk, I don't want him to get hurt. I don't see the hawk though. But it's still very quiet out here. Very quiet. Penny, you're an idiot. Penelope, don't be an idiot. Yeah, I don't see it. Very strange. Very quiet, but these guys are not moving. Oh. There's another little guy over on the other feeder, but it's not as apt to want to play with me. No. Oh, there it went. Okay.